Get that root, girl. Get that root. You got it! She got it! She broke it off!
Oh, wow!
That's your stick, huh? She's proud of that thing.
Yes, she is.
Look at that. Oh, I know you got a stick too. She got your root, Cody. I know, I hear you. Here, go get it. She's not letting go of that thing. She's so happy she got that. Okay.